GSG presents Writing Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today, we want to talk about reflective inks. We're going to show you MagnaPrint Reflective's reflective ink. It's going to be a water-based reflective with small glass beads suspended in it. Fantastic reflectivity, and it's great if you're printing on any type of safety merchandise like vests, anything for EMS, EMTs, police, and fire. We're going to print the MagnaPrint Reflective through a 110 mesh standard screen. Nothing special with the stencil. It is going to be a water-resistant emulsion. In this case, we're using Kiwa Multitex Blue. We're going to use a 65 durometer squeegee at about a 15-degree angle. And we're going to print this at about 35 psi and medium print stroke. So here's our one color MagnaPrint Reflective. We're going to go ahead and run it through the dryer. These have to cure at 330 degrees and for a retention time of about 90 seconds, because keep in mind it is water-based and we want to draw out all that moisture. Now that our shirt's printed, to check the reflectivity of it and to make sure it passes your standards, you want to go ahead and hang that shirt on the wall, stand about 10 feet away, and hold a flashlight right at eye level and hit it, and we'll see how it reflects. There you have it, one color reflective print using MagnaPrint Reflectives and a 110 mesh screen, really nice and bright. For safety purposes, when you hit it with a flashlight or car lights at night, it's really going to stand out. For more tips on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.